Hi everyone, welcome back to P&J's Homestead Adventure. We have accepted a challenge from Jason, Keto and More, Banana Bread Chaffles. Jason's recipe will be in the description. We have already been challenged to make a frittata, crackers, and homemade keto brownies. The playlist will be in our description. You will need 2 large eggs. And you will need 2 teaspoons of banana extract, which I could not find, Jason. I looked in 4 different stores. So I chose to use 2 tablespoons of banana that I had in the freezer, a 1/4 cup of mascarpone cheese, a 1/4 cup of almond flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2/3 a cup of shredded mozzarella, 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts or pecans. Of course, you're going to need some olive oil spray or whatever spray you choose to use, and a rack to let the chaffles cool off. I always use an ice cream scoop so I don't overfill the chaffle maker. And yes, we bought a new dash. We're making 4 chaffles at a time because we eat a lot of chaffles here. Woohoo! So let's get mixing. With these simple keto changes, I have lost 19 pounds. Thanks to Jason at Jason Keto and More, and Kendra at Consume the Goodness. Keep on thriving, our friends. A big thank you to our friends who let us use their kitchen while we were visiting this weekend. Give it a good spray. Yep, ice cream scoop usually is perfect to fill up the chaffle maker. Oopsie. Yep, a little over filling the chaffle maker. When you don't see any more steam, that's usually when the chaffle is finished. About 4.5 minutes it took. And cleanup is easy, especially when it's hot. Just use another warm cloth or warm sponge on it, and it wipes perfectly clean. Easy peasy. And everything is better with butter. I did add a little dab-a-doo of butter on top of each chaffle. As many of you know, I can't taste or smell. I'm all about texture, and these were fantastic.
Banana
Bread Chaffles. I thought the texture was great, and I love the walnuts, but I can't taste, so I could not use banana extract because I couldn't find it. So I used fresh banana.
I think we need to put a little bit more banana in there, but texture's there. Very good. Walnuts.
So I added 2 tablespoons of banana, or a teaspoon, I don't even remember. So I need to add more banana or find the extract.
Just for a little bit more kick. Banana kick.
But it's good?
Mm-hmm.
You would eat it again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thumbs up.
Very good.
Thank you for joining us here at P&J's Homestead Adventure. If you're new around here, here's a trailer so you can see what we've been up to around here. Thank you for stopping by. Another post-it bites the dust. We can throw it out. Get good wood out of the barn. It's official. Kaboosh.